Ever lost hours of work in Excel to a sudden crash or power flicker? Let's fix that right now by setting up Autosave. First, we need to access Excel's options. Click on the File tab, usually located in the top left corner of your Excel window. Now, from the drop-down menu that appears, select Options. This will open up the Excel Options dialog box, where we'll find the setting we need. In the Excel Options window, look for the Save category on the left-hand side and click on it. This section is dedicated to how Excel handles your files. Here, you'll see an option titled Save AutoRecover Information. Make sure this checkbox is checked. This is the core of our autosave feature. Next to that checkbox, there's a drop-down menu. This is where you control how frequently Excel automatically saves a temporary version of your workbook. You can choose from 1 minute up to 120 minutes. For most users, a saving interval of 5 to 10 minutes is a good balance. Let's select 10 minutes for this demonstration. This means every 10 minutes, Excel will create a recoverable backup. It's also a good idea to ensure that the checkbox labeled Keep the last auto-recovered version if I close without saving is ticked. This ensures that if you do happen to close Excel unexpectedly, you'll have the best chance of recovering your most recent changes. Below that, you'll see the AutoRecover file location. This is where those temporary backup files are stored. You can change this if you prefer, but the default location usually works fine. Once you've set your desired interval and verified the AutoRecover options, click the OK button at the bottom right of the dialog box to save your changes. And that's it. Your Excel work is now protected with automatic saving. Just remember to save your work manually from time to time as well to create a permanent copy.